All right. So remember what we want to do for all of these problems, we want to set them equal to 0. They got to look like this, right? They got to look like ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So that means I'm going to add 9 to both sides. All right. So when I do that, I get whatever that is, n squared plus 2n. What's negative 57 plus 9? Was it negative 45, 46? What is it? Oh, I don't know. Let's plug it in the calculator. So if you're not good with the positive and negative numbers, just do the math like this. Negative 57 plus 9, 48. Boy, we were not close at all. Negative 48 equals 0. So now the next thing we want to do is identify our A, B, C stuff. So A is 1. Oops. A equals 1 because there's a 1 there, even though we don't write it down. B equals 2, and C equals negative 48. Next thing, so this was 1 point, right? This is 1 point. Next thing we want to do is write out the formula. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. Well, what is that? X equals negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 2 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is negative 48. All over 2 times 1. So then x is equal to negative 2 plus or minus 4. This becomes a positive 192, yeah?
Yeah.
192. This is very similar to the other problem we did. All over 2. So then this becomes negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 196 all over 2. Then that becomes negative 2 plus or minus 14 because the square root of 196 is 14. We could separate this. Actually, let's just do it this way. I'm going to say x equals negative 2 plus 14 divided by 2. That's going to be 12 over 2, which is 6. And then x equals negative 2 minus 14 over 2, which is negative 16 over 2, which is negative 8. So I'm going to graph this real quick in the calculator, in my Desmos calculator. I've got positive 2n, so we say positive 2x plus 2x. Wasn't it minus 57? Minus 57 is equal to 9. Negative 9. And guess what? Boom. That's where it crosses. Take our screenshot. Maybe. Gotta get my computer to catch up to me. Plug that in there. Well, bam. A is positive, so that means it opens up, so you could just do your little sketch. I know that because A is positive, it's going to open up. So I've got a little thing like this. This right here.